Tēnā koutou te Reo-Trepeneurs of Tākina. Welcome to week 7 of your te Reo-Trepreneurship. The really cool thing about this week is we're focusing on actions. So yes, the core comment for this week is Tohu Mahi. What? Actions. But before we get into it, kia kara kia tātou. Let us pray. Kia taura ngā manaakitanga a te runga rawa ki tēnā o mātou e tau nei kia tūturu ōwhiti whakamaua kia tīna, hui e, tāi ki e. The core comment for this week is Tohu Mahi. What action? There are only 6 key things that you need to take away from this week's lesson. They are: will do something, ka; is am are doing something, e ana; is am are doing something, kei te; was were doing something, I te; has done something, kua; did something, I. Let's take a look at those key essential elements. Essential element 1, will do something, ka, future tense. So here's a couple of examples. Will eat, ka kai; will drink, ka inu; will go, ka haere. Here's an example using the tohu kāwai with ka, will do something. Australia will eat, ka kai a Australia; mere will eat, ka kai a mere; I will eat, ka kai a hau; my mum will eat, ka kai taku mama; the dog will eat, ka kai te kuri. Essential element 2, is, am, are doing something, e ana. Here are a few examples. Is eating, e kai ana; is drinking, e inu ana; is going, e haere ana. Here's an example using tohu kāwai. Australia is eating, e kai ana a ahitereiria; mere is eating, e kai ana a mere; I am eating, e kai ana a hau; my mum is eating, e kai ana taku mama; the dog is eating, e kai ana te kuri. Essential element 3, is doing something, kei te. Here are a few examples. Is eating, kei te kai; is drinking, kei te inu; is going, kei te haere. Here's an example using tohu kāwai. Australia is eating, kei te kai a Australia; mere is eating, kei te kai a mere; I am eating, kei te kai a hau; my mum is eating, kei te kai taku mama; the dog is eating, kei te kai te kuri. Essential element 4, was, were doing something, I te. Here are a few examples. Was eating, I te kai; was drinking, I te inu; was going, I te haere. Here's an example using tohu kāwai with I te. Australia was eating, I te kai a Australia; mere was eating, I te kai a mere; my mum was eating, I te kai taku mama; the dog was eating, I te kai te kuri. Essential element 5. Have, has done something. Kua. Here are a few examples. Have eaten, kua kai. Have drunk, kua inu. Have gone, kua haere. Here's an example using tohu kāwai. Australia has eaten, kua kai a Australia. Mary has eaten, kua kai a mere. I have eaten, kua kai a hau. My mum has eaten, kua kai taku mama. The dog has eaten, kua kai te kuri. Essential element 6. Did something, e. Here are a few examples. Did eat, ate, I kai. Did drink, drank, I inu. Did go, I haere. Here's an example using tohu kāwai. Australia ate, I kai a Australia. Mere ate, mere did eat, I kai a mere. I ate, I did eat, I kai a hau. My mum ate, my mum did eat, I kai taku mama. The dog ate, the dog did eat, I kai te kuri. Time to taki up. So now I'm going to do the taki or do the reciting using all the pūmahi or all the tense particles with kai and the tohu kāwai. Here we go. Australia will eat, ka kaia Australia. Mere will eat, ka kaia mere. I will eat, ka kaia hau. My mum will eat, ka kai taku mama. The dog will eat, ka kai te kuri. Australia is eating, e kai ana a Australia. Mary is eating, e kai ana a mere. I am eating, e kai ana a hau. My mum is eating, e kai ana taku mama. The dog is eating, e kai ana te kuri. Australia is eating, kei te kai a Australia. Mere is eating, kei te kai a mere. I am eating, kei te kai a hau. My mum is eating, kei te kai taku mama. The dog is eating, kei te kai te kuri. Australia was eating, I te kai a Australia. Mere was eating, I te kai a mere. I was eating, I te kai a hau. My mum was eating, I te kai taku mama. The dog was eating, I te kai te kuri. Australia has eaten, kua kaia Australia. Mere has eaten, kua kaia mere. I have eaten, kua kaia hau. My mum has eaten, kua kai taku mama. The dog has eaten, kua kai te kuri. Australia ate, I kaia Australia. Mere ate, I kaia mere. I ate, I kaia hau. My mum ate, I kai taku mama. The dog ate, I kai te kuri.